Hello friends, welcome back to Asha channel. Today I'm back with a super veg recipe. Yes, Arbi fry. So guys, if you are not a fan of this vegetable, trust me, after trying this recipe you will fall for this vegetable. So let's have a look on the ingredients. Turmeric powder 1 tablespoon, chili powder 1 tablespoon, salt as per your taste. Here I'm taking 1 tablespoon. Garam masala 1.5 tablespoon, gram flour 2 tablespoons, rice flour 2 tablespoons, half a piece of lemon. Here in this recipe I'm using 250 grams of Arbi. I've cleaned them and kept aside. Now into a pressure cooker add little water and 1 tablespoon of salt. Now pressure cook the Arbi for 3 whistles. Once they're done, take them out of the pressure cooker and peel them. Once they are done peeling, cut them into the round slices. The slices, neither they should be too thick nor too thin. They should be of medium size. Now it's time to add the powdered ingredients. We are adding 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, lemon juice, mix them well. Now add 2 tablespoons of gram flour. Add 2 tablespoons of rice flour. This gives the crispiness to the Arbi. Mix all the ingredients and rest it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add chopped coriander. Heat the pan and add 250 ml of oil. Since this is deep fry, we need more oil here. Once the oil reaches the boiling point, drop the Arbi pieces into the oil and fry them. When you put them into the oil, see to that the Arbi pieces don't stick to each other. Fry till they turn into golden brown color. So once they are done, strain the excess oil from them and put them on the kitchen paper towel. Yummy Arbi fry is ready to serve. You can try this recipe as a tea time snack. If you like the recipe, please like, share and comment. And most importantly, please do subscribe the Chinni Asha channel. And if you want the further notifications from this channel, please hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.